Westermans here with another 40-foot container just arriving with all welding positioners and rotators. 3-axis welding positioners. It's a 5-ton, I believe. Small 300 kilo positioners with a hole through. More details available on Westermans.com. I'll just wait until this one comes out and we might be able to see a little bit more inside of what's actually coming in. Like I say, 3-axis welding positioner, 5,000 kilos. To have a look inside the container, see what else is actually arriving, what other goodies we can see. Let's have a look in here. There's another 5-ton 3-axis machine, obviously rotators going all the way back in the 40-foot. More details available from Westermans.com. Thank you for looking. More machines just arrived, Westermans.com. 3-axis hydraulic positioners, 3-ton, 5-ton, small 300 kilo positioners with a hole through table, and rotators, 5-ton, 40-foot container, not a 20-foot. Rotators are actually sitting all at the back behind the positioners, next to our friend Tony standing there. More details available on Westermans.com. Thank you for looking.